Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Coin. We are kind of going down a little bit on the overall market. No need to panic, though. No need to panic, guys. I'm going to tell you why I think we're going down and why you shouldn't really be worried about it. Also, I want to talk about the overall market and kind of where I think we're going to be going in the next few days leading up to this Federal Reserve Jerome Powell talk on February 1st. So let's hop into this video, guys. We are almost at 7,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this Loaded Lion NFT. All you got to do is be subscribed, follow our Twitter, retweet this tweet, and you could win this little line. And if you want an extra chance at winning it, all you gotta do is be a YouTube member. And each month you are a member, you get plus 10 additional entries to winning this NFT. It's about 2,500 bucks. Super excited to be giving away this little line, and lots more giveaways to come. So let's look at the overall market right now, guys. So we are a little bit red. We definitely are a little bit red. But guys, like, I see a lot of people kind of freaking out and panicking, but guys, this is nothing. This is nothing. We've came up. Be grateful we're above 23,000 right now because we came up fast. We came up really fast. And honestly, as long as we're above about the $21,600 mark, we're just hanging out. We're consolidating, and there's nothing wrong with that. Honestly, we need a little cool off period before another move to the upside. And honestly, if we do get another big move to the upside after this consolidation leading up to the Jerome Powell talk on February 1st, we're going to be off to the races, in my opinion. I think we're going to have a lot more upside if we do break out to the upside after February 1st. But, guys, we're doing good. We're fine. This is okay. Like, honestly, we're consolidating above the 21,500. We're consolidating above 23,000, guys. This is very good. And now, something I did look into a little bit is the Bitcoin shorts because I was curious. I was very curious. I was saying, it does look like we're kind of coming down a little more than we should have. But in retrospect, we did come up so much. And honestly, look at this. Look at these shorts that got absolutely destroyed and demolished and liquidated. So basically, these red candles are indicating the shorts are getting liquidated, and the green is the shorts increasing. I mean, there was lots and lots of shorts that got completely wrecked. But I will say, this is very interesting. Bitcoin liquidation statistics, guys. In the past 24 hours, there's been over $20 million in longs liquidated, which I find quite curious because, God, the only reason why that would really be happening is if people just purely gambling on like 100x leverage or something like ridiculous, because this was not that large of a move. I mean, we're talking about we're down 1.56% on the day, and we're above 23,000. Guys, like, leverage trading is a great tool. It really is a great tool, and you can maximize profits and you can make a lot of money leverage trading. But when you start to get greedy and do risky things like 100x leverage with more money than you probably should be using 100x leverage with, you get wrecked. And honestly, it suppresses the Bitcoin price or makes the price more volatile. In a case like this, when we probably came down more than we should have because of people doing risky longs. And just be careful. If you guys do want to open up a leverage trade, longing or shorting on Bitcoin or other currencies, we do have sign-up bonuses for BitGet, Femex, and Binance down below. You get a lot of free money, honestly. There's lots of cool tools with it. Just be careful, guys. Just leverage trade at your own risk. I would say it's for experienced traders. If you want to get crazy with it, it's for experienced traders. But try it out. But please leverage trade at your own risk. So let's look over at Coin, guys. We are consolidating like the entire rest of the market, really. Nothing's really down that much. Maybe Matic is down, Near is down, but they probably had some pretty large run-ups in the past week or so. And, I say this all the time, guys. The weekend action leading into the next week, usually there's a big move to the downside or to the upside, but or the entire weekend movements kind of get erased. But we dumped down into the Monday open, and that's okay. Like, I don't even want to call it a dump. Like, that's nothing. It's nothing, guys. We're sitting pretty. We're sitting really pretty. I mean, this is what moved down from here. A 4.58% move, and honestly, if we were to do the 24-hour candle, we're doing like nothing. We're down. How much are we down on the day on the daily for Crocoin? We're down 5%. It's nothing. It's nothing, guys. We're still trading in between the channel of about 7 cents and 10 cents. Super happy about that. In the center of it, we are getting ready to break to the upside. If Jerome has some good things to say come Wednesday, I believe that's the first, or to the downside. On February 1st is when Jerome is going to be speaking. So I think that we're going to be kind of trading sideways leading up into that meeting, into the announcements to hear if we're dovish or hawkish, if we're going to be having higher rate hikes or get that 0.25. I really think we should probably get that 0.25. I kind of think that a lot of people are leaning into that, which is kind of a little bit unfortunate because if people are leaning into that and we get a 0.5, that's going to be pretty bearish, and I think we probably get some downward motions here on the Crow coin and on Bitcoin and crypto as a whole probably, and honestly on the traditional market. But yeah, guys, very interesting that the Bitcoin shorts are getting wrecked, but they are starting to reaccumulate their short positions because we have come down a little bit. This is crazy, the liquidations, the long liquidations. Be careful leverage trading, guys, but there's definitely lots of opportunities with leverage trading. Just please be careful. And so let's look at Bitcoin here because, guys, we are looking good. We're looking good. Looking good. Look at this monthly candle right here. Oh, man, I can't wait to have a monthly candle close above. If we can get a monthly candle close above here, above the 19,500, that's going to be fantastic. And the monthly candle closes in a day and 9 hours, guys. Let's look at the weekly because, you know, this looks juicy. I love to see that. I love to see it. Look at that. Basically, all of the FTX collapse has been erased at this point. Very, very bullish on that. And, you know, I was seeing some charts of some people kind of talking a little bit bearish about how this is too fast. We're recovering too fast. And I disagree. I really do disagree. We've been trading down to the side for over 400 days. It was 375 days from the peak to the bottom so far. So far. I do think that the bottom is in, for the record. I do think so. But, you know, it's not too soon, guys. We are due for this. We really are due for this. You know, all this talk of, you know, oh, we need more pain, oh, we need more pain. It just makes me think more and more that there's so many people in disbelief that I think that honestly we kind of have more room to the upside. I think that the target is 30,000. I think that we're headed towards 30,000 before we get a little bit of a tracement down. I think we could probably get up to 30,000 about here, and then maybe come back down to the 18,000, maybe even the $19,500 mark. But I do think that we have more upside here in the medium to short term. That's not financial advice, but that's just probability and statistics, and based on the patterns I've been seeing in the crypto space, how I've been in this for a long time, since 2016 for Bitcoin, and it does make sense. It does make sense based on the 4-year cycle. And some of you guys may say, oh, the 4-year cycle is not, it's not a thing. It's not a thing. It was broken. Not really. Not really, which is actually so crazy because I remember for a while we all thought that the 4-year cycle was broken when we didn't reach the 100,000 price target of Bitcoin back in 2021. But no, really, the 4-year cycle is pretty accurate, which is very, very fascinating. So I'm going to be keeping my close eye on the $30,000 range here in the medium to short term. And I'm also going to keep my close eye on this $19,500 mark and this $21,600 mark leading into the monthly candle close. But guys, also S&P 500, we are toying with this resistance level. We have broken above it on the weekly, just barely, and on the daily, it looks much more bullish. But I want to see more weekly candle closes above this trend line on the S&P 500. We have another 4 days and 7 hours. A brand new candle has started. I would love to see us close above that. And on the monthly candle, if we can get a monthly candle close above this, oh man, that is going to be bullish for risk on assets. That's all I really have to say about that, because the only thing that's really stopping us is Jerome Powell coming out and talking some hawkish talk, saying that we're going to get a 0.5 or 0.75, God forbid. Then we're going to be brought down if we get a 0.75. I really think that that's the case. But I do think 0.25 is probably the answer. I think that that's kind of what we're going to be getting, but I could be wrong. The Federal Reserve likes to do a lot of dancing around, lots of vague talk. You know, they try not to scare the market, but at the same time, they do an excellent job at that. So, but guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video and subscribe if you like this content. Also, please consider becoming a member. All you gotta do is click this join button or go down below this video and click the join button. We have different tiers with really cool membership perks. Every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Crypto Kip and I do a live stream, and we have loyalty badges, custom emojis, as well as access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, as well as trade signals, and more of just a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I where you can talk to us throughout the day. It's really a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. So please consider that. And on top of that, each month you are a YouTube member, you get an additional 10 entries to winning this Load Lion NFT. Can't wait to give this away. Lots more giveaways to come, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all I got. Bye.